To send an outbound SMS, your application makes a post request to Twilio, and Twilio sends a text message. It's that simple. Over in the terminal, we use Composer to fetch the Twilio SDK. Composer just helps you manage your dependencies in your application, and then we'll create a sendsms.php file. Inside of here, we'll first bring in the Twilio helper library that we just got with Composer, and we'll use it to get the Twilio REST client object. We're going to need some credentials for our application, namely the account SID and auth token from the Twilio console. These look like this, but I have my values stored in environment variables, so we'll get them from there instead. The Twilio account SID and the Twilio auth token. Then we'll use them to create a Twilio REST client object, passing in the credentials. Next, we'll use the client to create a text message using client messages create. The first parameter here is the to phone number. Phone numbers look like this when you use them in Twilio, but I have my phone number stored in an environment variable and I'll use it from there instead. The other parameters to this will be passed in through an array. That'll be the from phone number. That's the Twilio phone number that we just purchased, 267-930-2689. And then we need a body for our text message, and that's just going to say, congratulations on sending your first text message using PHP. We'll close that and head back over to the terminal to run our application, php sendsms.php, and a text message will appear on our phone. That's all you need to do to send a text message from PHP using Twilio.